Good morning, students. This is Shivas Patel and welcome to Math Chef YouTube channel. Right. So in previous classes we discussed about the function, basic definition of function, property of the function, features, right? What are the conditions of the function, and what is domain, codomain, range, image, pre-image, some technical terms also. So right now we will discuss about some problems based on the questions. Okay. So real function and real valued function. A real function is where the domain is real function. Okay, right. And the range function, real valued function means where the range is real value for real valued function. That's the difference, right? Some of formulas. Study again. I will repeat it. Formulas. Formulas. First one is if x plus a, right, x minus a into x minus b, right, what's the condition is, if a and b are real numbers, such that, okay sir, first of one is a and b belongs to R and a is less than b, okay, if then if and if only if, okay sir, this is the less than 0, right, less than 0, greater than 0, less than 0, right, very important. This is the main formulas, four formulas to find the range and domain, right? Where is this? Less than or equal to, less than 0, if and if only if a is less than equal to x, less than equal to b, or and also x belongs to a, open bracket, a comma b. Second one is, right sir, if x minus a and x minus b, right, are using the less than or equal to, okay, if and only if, right, here a is less than or equal to x, less than or equal to b, nothing but x belongs to close bracket of a and b, right? Okay sir, next only third one is if again x minus a and x minus b, let's see the x minus s, x minus a and x minus b greater than 0, this is 0, sorry, this is 0, greater than 0 if, okay sir, if x is less than a or x is greater than b. So here x belongs to, right sir, minus infinity to a union and b to infinity, right? This is the condition. Yes sir. Okay. Fourth one is if x minus a, right, and x minus b are equal to 0. There are two less than equal to 0, less than equal to 0, and two greater than equal to 0 and greater than equal to, greater than 0, greater than equal to 0, if and if only if. Which one? So x is as less than equal to a, r, this is the r symbol, r, any value, r, x is greater than or equal to b, means x belongs to, right sir, minus infinity to close bracket, means value is included, union minus and value from b to infinity, open bracket, right? These are the four fundamental formulas, notes I can tell so, okay. And fifth one is, okay sir, x square is greater than equal to 0 for all x belongs to R. Square of the any function is greater than equal to 0 for all x belongs to R, for any value of R. Again similarly, okay. Sixth one, square root of x, I am telling x means a function, can I tell f of x is greater than or equal to 0 for x, right? For x belongs to r plus, yes, must be belongs to 0 or r plus any function, right? When we consider it again while solving the questions now, we will recorrect it. Okay, while solving the questions, we will recorrect it. Okay, sir. Because if r becomes negative and this becomes negative and this becomes negative, becomes goes to the complex number system. So that's why x should be belongs to r plus positive numbers only, right? Right. I can one last one is seventh one. 1 by f of x is greater than or equal to 0, right? For all x belongs to r minus 0, because 1 by 0 is not defined, means 1 by x or 1 by y. 1 by function is a positive function almost always, okay, except 0 for all x belongs to r minus element of 0, right? This is the only assumption. They have not given the book, but by solving the questions, these are the very important concepts, right? X minus a into x minus b is equal to less than 0 if x is in between the a and b. Again, x minus a and x minus b is less than or equal to 0 if x between the, again between, greater than 0 if x is less than a or b is greater than b. If x is less than a, and b is x is greater than b. Similarly for this one also. Okay, let's solve the first question. Okay, let's see it. Okay, students, what the question is, x square. See, my handwriting now in board it seems okay, nice, but in mobiles, okay, it seems completely corrupt, right? I should write find domain, right? Find domain. D. If you are working again, this means this legible means okay. Means understand the spellings. That's okay. That's enough. Okay then. What is the question is? Function is x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to divided by x square minus 8x plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay then. Solution here to find the domain. Okay then. To find the domain, right? D of f belongs to R, right? But here, this for, okay, D of x belongs to R. This is the only to find the domain, okay? Let it be. It's not right time to write the position to write right now, okay? Okay. F of x is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 divided by x square minus 8x plus 12, right? To find the domain of the function df, right? F of x should be, okay sir. To find the domain of the function, this, okay sir. To find the domain d, to find d of f, the function, okay sir, x square minus 8x plus 12 not equal to 0, because, right, f of x and x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 is not defined, right? This is a method, not equal to 0 because denominator, okay, 1 by x not equal to 0, not defined, right? So then solve this one by quadratic equation. Now x square minus 8x plus 12 not equal to 0, right? Not equal to 0. For x belongs to R, you can take the any values, but our this equation not be equal to 0. This implies, can I write as, this is as 6x into 2x plus 12 not equal to 0, splitting the middle term, right? This becomes, I taken the x minus 6c. You are a PUC second students, right? This is the ninth class subject, I think so. Ninth syllabus, right? When I was saying this one, okay, these are factors of 6 and 2, 6, okay. Here minus is there, you should take the minus 2 and minus 6 are there factors and write the answer x minus 6 into x minus 2. But only for first time in tally here. Again I am taking the 2 as common side and remaining is x minus 2 is not equal to 0. This implies x minus 2 and common is x minus c not equal to 0. This implies x not equal to 2 and 6, right? Therefore, d of f belongs to R minus, except the elements 2 and 6, right? Domain of f is belongs to R. You can write belongs to R. You can write the equals also R. A real number system. A real number except the element 2 and 6 is the domain for the given function. I told you, you can write d of e is equal to and d of f is equal to, right, minus 2 and 6, writing both, right? Next question is, and one thing is, whenever you are studying on the real functions, okay, what for real function means almost not always df is belongs to R, right sir? Means df must be R, must be real number, real, for real function. So in general almost all functions are real functions, okay? Without in integer numbers, in natural numbers, whole numbers, only we have the very few functions, rare function, okay? Not possible to find the functions are mentioned in the real number system, okay? Almost all the given books that d of x of x must be a real number. But to find the d of f of x must be a real number they given because the function is a real function, okay? Whenever finding the real function, have the domain, finding the domain. We are finding the real valued function, we are finding the range, right? Next question is, complex question is there. Find the domain and the range of the function f of x equal to 3 square minus 5, and also find the f of minus 3, the number which also is the range. Let's see, sir, okay. No, sir, I will read the question again, right? Question number 4, f of x is equal to 3x square minus 5. F of x is equal to 3x square minus 5. Find the domain, this is domain, range, and f of minus 3, right? 4, 5 questions. 1, 2, 3, and value of x means value of the domain where f of x is equal to 43. Value of x, value of domain where f of x is equal to 43 means solution step by step. First one, okay, domain of f, right? So for domain of f, f of x must be a real number, again real value. Okay, f of x must be a real number. Okay, real number. So here we have find the f of x is a 3x square minus 5. 3x square minus 5. So here we don't have any square, any under root, one division, something else. So obviously x belongs to almost all values, right sir? For you can tell x belongs to R, any value you can take. Therefore, domain of f, okay sir, domain of f is equal to R. R belongs to R also, right? This is now I'm repeating. Here there is no condition for any value of x, you will be getting the all values, right? Any value of x, you are getting the domain. So it means you have the freedom to take the domains for any values because there is no restriction, right? Second one is the range. Okay, sir. Find the range. Let's see y is equal to f of x is equal to 3x square minus 5. Okay, sir. So here you should write the x in terms of y, right? X in terms of y to find the range. But here they given you some peculiar solution method, right? Now, okay, sir. In this equation, now x square is greater than 0, greater than equal to 0. Right? Because it will be fine. From reverse method, right? Finding the reverse method. X square is greater than equal to 0. Can I take multiplying 3 on both sides? 3x square greater than equal to 0. 3x square greater than equal to 0. Again. See, I am bringing this value by taking the one element of this equation. I am making the complete y. Right? 3x square minus 5 is greater than equal to minus 5. Adding the minus 5 on both sides. So this what becomes y. This implies, right? So y becomes minus 5. Y is greater than equal to minus 5. Right? Y is greater than equal to minus 5. So here you can write the elements from infinity to minus 5 are. So this implies minus 5 is less than or equal to y. Can I write this one as nice? If 2 is greater than or equal to minus 5, minus 5 2 is less, minus 5 is less than or equal to 2, not 2, equal. Okay, if 2 is greater than minus 2, then minus 5 is less than 2. That's simple. For this, should I write? So therefore, y belongs to, right sir? Infinity to, right? Minus infinity to minus 5. I think so, right? Okay. This is the wrong, okay? This is the wrong. How it is wrong means minus 5 is less than or equal to y. Okay, sir. The value is y is greater than or equal to minus 5. Yes. Little confusion again, sir. This is the main confusing part here. Everyone, that's the given formula. So value minus 1 is correct, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 up to infinite. Right? That's why minus 1 is less than or equal to 5 means yes. Minus 5 is the least number. Less number, small number. Therefore, y belongs to, right? Minus 5 to infinity. Therefore, y is not a range. Range of f is equal to minus 5 to infinity. Right? Second question. For the third one, next one is here we should understand the concept. Y is greater than minus 2 means what are the greater values? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2. Okay. Confusing part here only. Next one. Domain is okay. We can find the domain. And which one? Range. Now let's see for next one is f of 3. F of minus 3. F of minus 3 is equal to, okay sir, 3 into minus 3 square minus 5. This is 3 into, okay, minus 2 minus 3 minus plus becomes 9 minus 5. This becomes 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Yes, f of minus 3 is 7. F of minus 3 is 7. And 21, 27, sorry. This is 27. So 27 minus 5 is 22. 93, not 9 plus 3. 93. Right? Next one is value of the x domain for f of x is equal to 43. Okay? F of x is equal to 43 means 3x square minus 5 is equal to 43. Okay? 3x square is equal to 43 plus 5, 48. So x square is equal to 48 by 3. 3 ones are 3 6 are, right? X is equal to plus or minus 4. Again, x is equal to plus or minus 4, which belongs to 4, right? Belongs to domain of f. And here also you can read minus 3 belongs to domain of f. Next question is, right? Next question is, next question is f of x is equal to 3 minus 2x. F of x is equal to 3 minus, okay, 3 minus 2x. This is 5 minus x. Okay. What the condition is? To find d of x, f of x must be a real number. Why you are writing this? You are finding the real functions, right? Only for that reason. A real function. Okay, therefore, and we have square root of 3 minus 2x is greater than or equal to 0. We know condition for any root of the value is greater than or equal to 0, right? So, squaring on both sides, 2x is greater than or equal to 0. Right? So 2x, okay sir, see here how to get the things, right? 3 is greater than or equal to 2x, right? Also 2x is less than or equal to 3 by 2 and x is 3 and x is less than or equal to 3 by 2. Have to answer these steps. 3 minus 2x is why? Because I am squaring on the both sides. Take on both, okay? 3 minus 2x is left. So, okay, sir. I sent the 2x to right side. So, I'm writing the vice versa. So if 2 is greater than 1 and the 1 is less than 2, obviously if 3 greater than 2x and 2x is less than 2 by 3, so x is 2 by 3. Therefore, this is belongs to right. Therefore, except these values, okay, means domain is the function is valid only for the x up to here only. Values from, therefore, domain is, therefore, domain of f is equal to, right, minus infinity to 3 by 2. Equal is there, I have to take the close bracket. Means valid values only for these values, right? 3 by 2 means 1.5. Okay, sir. Because just take the value more than 1.5. Like value take it 4. 4 becomes 3 minus 4 minus 1 becomes complex number. So it's not a real value, real function. Right? Let's check the answer also. What the answer is? Minus 23 by 2. Right? Domain of f. Take the 2, take the 3, more values more than 2, more than 1.5. Okay, we get negative values. So that's not possible in real numbers. Second one is range. Again, the range. How to find the range? Range means for these numbers we will get the only positive numbers now. So range, directly I can write this one as this is the range. This is the range. So still I am writing again. What is the condition is? Okay, let's let now 2x is less than 3, right? What do you want? Minus 2x, na? Okay. Minus 2x is greater than or equal to minus 3, right? Because if 2 is less than 1 and minus 2 is greater than minus 1, right? It's possible, not possible, na? If 2 is less than, okay, if 1 is less than 2, right, so apply minus 1. Minus 1 becomes greater than minus 2. Apply the minus side. Okay, sir. This becomes again, add 3. Okay, sir. You can add 3 minus 2x greater than or equal to minus 3 plus 3. Right? You can add also. So, 3 minus 2x greater than or equal to 0. Right? And square root. Take square root of also. 3 minus 2x again greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, y is greater than or equal to 0. It belongs to R of f. Therefore, range is, okay sir, range is means we will get the only 0 to infinite values in the closed bracket, right? I think so. The range will be right. Only those who are excellent, you can take this is the example. This is the result. Who are getting the always range. Range means output only for any values of input. Okay. But similarly, yes, sir, for root 1 by 5 also. Let's see 1 by 5 also. For 1 by 5, f of x is equal to 1 by root 5 minus x, right? To find the demand of f, and f of x must be a real number. Therefore, root of 5 minus x must be equal to 0. Okay, sir. 5 minus x must be equal to 0. So 5 must be equal to 0. So x is less than or equal to 5. Therefore, domain is equal to, right? Okay, sir. Less than value is there, na? Take the minus infinity to 5, right? Check the value. Yes, because it's not greater than, na? Okay. What happened here? What happened here? Why they given only? Yeah. Yes. This is the 1 by 0 because 1 by 0 is not defined. Okay, sir. If I taken equal to 0, this is not value. So, okay. Sorry. If I taken equal to 0, see, only when the reciprocal should only greater than 0, must be greater than 0. Therefore, x is less than 5 means greater than 5. Again, for range, okay, sir. That's range. Can I take this one as range? Okay, sir. Find the range again. Here source task starts. Yeah. Range is almost for any values, okay, sir. Here for any values. For any values, you get the positive number. So range is almost, okay, sir. In the greater than 0, range is f of is belongs to 0 to infinity. But still, I take this one as, okay, sir. 5 minus x is greater than 0. I will take from these steps. It's not need not to write here, but still I'm writing. Okay. Okay, and 1 by, okay, sir, root. Next, the root of 5 minus x also greater than 0, and 1 by root 5 minus x also greater than 0 because there's a 1, right? For x belongs to domain of f, you get the positive values. Therefore, the y is greater than 0, so y is belongs to r of f. Therefore, r of f is equal to 0 to infinite. Okay. Next one is okay, sir. Yeah, here understand here. Find the domain and range of the question. Find the domain and the range of the function, right? So a is greater than 0 and the condition. Okay. Okay. Solution is, so to find a domain, f of must be a real number. F of x be a real number means this is the figure 1 by root of, okay, f of x is equal to a square minus x square must be a real number, right? And you can tell us now, and root of a square minus x square must be greater than 0, greater than 0, not equal to 0, greater than 0. Okay, I'm taking the square root on both sides. A square minus x square greater than 0. So this I'm changing x square minus a square is less than 0, This is x plus a and x minus a is less than 0. A square minus b square, right? This can written as x minus of a into x minus a less than 0. What the formula is? X minus a and x minus b less than 0 if x, okay, a less than equal to b, x less than equal to b, then domain, okay sir, x belongs to a, b, right? Therefore a is minus a is less than equal to x less than equal to plus a, therefore x belongs to minus a to a, right? X belongs to minus a to plus a. This is the domain. X means domain. Domain of f is equal to minus a to a. Right, sir. Find the range. Okay. To find the range, see here now, to find the range you have to find the x in terms of y. You have to show wherever y is not defined. Okay sir. Wherever y is not defined, I have to show, okay, y is equal to 1 by x square minus x y square root, right? This writing as y square is equal to 1 by a square minus x square. Okay. Next step, what to do? The thing is, you should show this implies a square minus x square y square is equal to 1. A square minus x square is equal to 1 by y square, and x square is equal to a square minus 1 by y square. Yes sir, our motto is because we should define. Why I am taking in terms of y means we should check the whether y is not defined. Whether y is not defined, right? See, this can write as y square, okay sir, a square y square minus 1 by y square this is something is there, because now writing on the direct method is not fruitful. Okay, they given like that. This is y square minus 1 by a square. Okay, can I write this one as yes. Right, I got it. Okay sir, 1 minute. Okay, says okay sir, this is the condition. Okay, x square is greater than or equal to 0, right? Almost. Therefore, okay sir, a square minus 1 by y square is greater than or equal to 0. Very important step. This is x square is square number always 0, greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, a square minus y square greater than or equal to 0, right? This is not equal to the given. Okay, take care. I will continue here only. Right there. Then see, multiply the y square on both sides and divide by the a square on both sides. Here 0, you get y square on both sides, multiply the y square and divide by the a square, right? This becomes y square minus 1 by a square equal to 0. This implies as y plus of 1 by a into y minus of 1 by a equal to 0. Okay, sir. This I am writing y minus of minus 1 by a into y minus 1 by a equal to 0. What is our formula for here? Okay, sorry. For the formula for here, for this we have a formula if x minus a into x minus b then equal to 0 or x is less than equal to a or x is greater than equal to b, right? For here y we should have y is less than equal to minus a minus 1 by a, correspondingly minus 1 by a or y is greater than equal to 1 by y. Similarly for this relation, okay, and what is y? Okay, sir. Here we have the y is greater than 0 for all values of domain. So I have taken only this value only. Okay. See why I am taking y greater than 0 because for all values for domain y is 1 by root of something else, means the still positive value. So I am taking the only positive term. Therefore, right, sir. Therefore, y belongs to y is greater than or equal to 1 by a. How to write this one by s? Therefore, r of f is equal to, can I write this as 1 by a to infinity? I will check and confirm, okay? I will check the answer and clarify you. Yes, sir. Step by step again. I am taking the, see, to find the range, for which, why you are taking the range in different method means, we should check whether range is not defined. Range is not defined. Then you have to convert the y where y is not defined. So you have to write the y, okay sir, x in terms of y. Means y equals to numerator, denominator, reciprocal, square value, root value, different function. To find the where the value y position, range position, should consider the, write the y in terms of x, right? Okay sir. But yx means x we already defined. It's the specific area, domain has domain. So here we got the in this form. So x square is positive value, always you know, right? X square is positive value, and therefore I am taking the y square, x square means y square greater than equal to 0. Again I multiply the y square and divide the a square on both sides. Multiply the y square and divide the a square on both sides. So I got this a square minus b square, a plus of b into a minus of b. Same 1 plus a, y plus 1 by a, y plus 1 by a greater than 0. So I see for simplification for this result, I make it y minus of 1 by a, y minus 1 of 1 by a. So again this formula, if ax minus a and x minus b greater than equal to 0, okay sir, greater than equal to 0. So this is the formula because the number we can imagine where minus 2 minus 3 belongs, but this variable is not difficult to imagine where it is. Therefore, if it is a condition x minus a, x minus b greater than equal to 0, then x is less than equal to a or x is greater than equal to b. Okay. If the condition given x is less than a, the x is greater than b means x product of these numbers must be greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So I have taken only positive value. Y positive value. See here y is 1 by root of a square minus x square. For all x belongs to domain f, y getting positive values. For all domain from minus a to a, we are getting positive values. Therefore, I am taking the only positive values here. So y is defined on only positive values. Therefore, y is greater than 1 by a means range is defined only. You will get the range from this domain. You will get the range from 1 by a onwards. Therefore, range of f is equal to 1 by a to infinity, infinite. Right? Okay, sir. Next question is find the domain. Okay, sir. The domain only. Domain of the function. So this is the integer function, greatest integer function. Like that, if I writing 5, you writing as is the 5. Greatest integer function. Okay, sir. This is less than or equal to x. I think so. Right? Value is greatest integer which is less than or equal to x. Greatest integer which is less than or equal to x. Okay, sir. 5.1. Okay, 5.1 is 5 and 5.9 also is equal to 5. Okay, again minus 5.1 is minus 6. Greatest integer function which is less than or equal to x. Okay, sir. Means should be integer. Okay, sir. Should be nearest integer. Means greatest integer should be less than or equal to x. Sir. Less than means okay, integer minus 5. Similarly, for minus 5.9 also, they are getting minus 6. Smallest value. Okay. Solution is already you know this should not be equal to 0, right? Greater than 0, right? This should be mod of x. Okay, integer function of x minus x equal to greater than 0, right? If greater than equal to 0 becomes not defined. So again x minus okay, sir, minus 6, 0. Squaring at the both sides, square get cancelled. This is the okay, sir. Function minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 plus 2 sorry. Okay. This can write as minus 3 plus 2, right? X square minus 3 x plus 2x, 2 of x minus 6 is equal to 0. So this becomes okay, sir. This becomes x minus 3 into x, okay, sir. This is x plus 2 greater than 0. I'm taking 2 outside, x minus 3 left, x minus 3 is common. Okay, again this is, can I write this one as x minus 3, okay, this one as x minus of minus 2 greater than 0. So values are, so x minus a, x minus b, for a is less than or equal to x less than or equal to b greater than 0, then okay, sir, this is the value na x belongs to ab, right? Greater than 0. For greater than 0 I have different function. Okay, That is for the less than. Okay, sir. This is the less than. Greater than 0 means x is less than or equal to a, or x is greater than or b. Right? Means mod of x is less than -3, or the integer function of x is greater than or -2. Right, sir? Less than -3 means, okay, this becomes -4, -5 to infinite, and this becomes this one, right? Greater than -2. This becomes -2 means -1, 0, 1 up to infinite. Therefore, domain of f is equal to, right, -infinity to -4 union from the function -1 to infinity. I will check the answer first, then I will define. -2, I take -4. Yes, sir. This is x is greater than -2. I should write this one as x is less than a and x is greater than b. One thing should be positive na here. Where is a, what is a, what is b? Here what is a and what is b? Answer is, writing, answer is -2 to 4 to infinite. Answer is d of f is -infinity to -2 union and 4 to infinity. Okay, sir. 4 to infinity. What to do here? Less than 3, you have to take positive here, na? Because here they are given almost all the a and b are in negative form, but here a negative form, but here is the positive form. So yes, this may be, if s less than 2, this becomes less than means 2, less than 3 means 1, 0 up to infinite. Yes. Okay. Greater than -2. This can I write as okay. Sorry. The basic answer, okay, sir. X is okay. X is less than a and x is greater than b. Okay. For this, can I write this one as -1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, yes, sir. Condition is a is less than b. Now, listen, students. Are right in the form. Okay, sir. If they given a condition, if a belongs to R, a and b belongs to R, and a is less than b, a is less than b, then this form gives this result. So this equation should write in the, okay, sir, a minus less than b form. Okay. A minus less than B for. Okay, what's the value if this is 3, this is minus 2. What is this? What is the less than means? A is less than minus 3 means I should take, right? Here B, this is the B, this is the A, right? Small value is minus 2 because that's I should take x minus 2 minus of 2 okay into integer value of x minus 3 greater than 0. Then okay, x is less than of minus 2 integer value function, or x is greater than or of 3. A is less than B. Okay. Again, but we are not in get minus 2. Ah, right, sir. What 4? What is the 4? 4 is positive value or negative? Close interval or? Yes. See, minor understandings, okay. This is, okay, sir. Symbol is, this becomes, for this becomes, I will get what the value? Less than minus 2. Okay, very important. Less than minus 2. Okay. So value is less than minus 2 means 1.9. Yeah, right? Okay. Means 1.9 minus 1.8. So still you are getting the minus 2, minus 1, 0 up to. So therefore, for this I am getting minus 2. Okay. Values. Okay. This is minus 2. Okay, this is the value from infinite. Okay, I mean when less than value means I should write the wrong way, again wrong way. Less than value means this implies that minus 2.1, minus 2.2 up to infinity, right? So if you are getting still small value minus 2, that this becomes okay, sir, minus infinity, as infinity to value minus 2. I open the open bracket means minus 2 is not included. For C this also value is say is the integer function. Value is greater than 3. Okay, sir. You should take the value greater than 3. But see, if I taken the 3 as open bracket of 3, see, if I write 3 to infinity, okay, sir. Okay, again I am getting the 3 value, 3.1, 3. But here the value defined more than, so we have to take the fourth value, 4 to infinite. And for this, we have 4 to infinite. Therefore, domain of f is equal to minus infinity to minus 2 to 4 to infinity. During solving the mod functions, positive integer function, positive value function, logarithm function, okay, we should be very careful. Okay. See, this is the formula. If you are writing this one, this condition is A minus B. Because I am getting concept. Which in books na, they will give you the exact solutions, whatever it may be. But here we have to understand the why it is every step. Then we can solve any different questions with, say, it takes time. Yes. Because the answer almost is, see, in books na, they will give 99% answer will be right answer. Rare cases they will give wrong answer. Rare cases. But our work is to find the why it is. If they give an answer na, why it is. Okay. You should find out the reason behind it for all time. Okay. This is the, okay sir, you should write this one is the x is the minus a, is the a and b, slice and b. So this becomes a, and minus 2 1 point, minus 2 point becomes 2. So this was the comes from the value of minus 2, right? Let's check the, okay. So time is up almost. So I'm going to conclude this chapter, and only one is there. Okay, one is log function, one is trigonometric function, and one is some trigonometric function also. In by solving the questions, the test questions, previous questions, will come across the numerous examples. Okay, I am going to conclude this chapter. Okay, only thing is this is the concept. Okay, I had taken too much time here for, right? Again, pause the video, answer the steps, pause the video, answer the steps, because now in books they give a direct answer. That could not be, okay, following that but without understanding the question, it's a completely wrong thing. Getting scores is different. See, in mathematics now, getting academic score is different. But getting the thing done in your way is very different. That is the creativity. Okay. Thanks for watching, and comment in the comment box for any feedbacks. Thank you very much.